Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. So you can turn on the power saving mode on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it through the controls menu, which is the faster way after you set it up, because first you need to basically set it up, and then the other option is to do it through the settings, and I'm gonna show you both. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the controls menu, of course. So press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu, and here by default you won't see the power saving mode icon. That's why I told you that you need to set it up. Basically, we need to tap on edit, then tap on add. Here we need to find the power saving mode icon, or battery saver, my bad, it's called battery saver. Tap on it to add it, then we can tap on the check mark and the battery saver will appear right here on the menu. And we can tap on done. And now we have the battery saver icon on the controls menu, and you can tap on it to enable the power saving mode and tap on it again to disable it. And to do it through the settings, you need to press the upper button once to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, find the option called Power Manager, tap on it, and then tap on Battery Saver. And here we have additional thing we don't have in the controls menu. We have the battery life estimation, and we can check the estimation of the battery life when you turn on the mode and when you turn it off. And you can also edit some things. You can tap on Edit button right here, and you can change how the power saving mode behaves, basically. And we have watch face, and we have don't change. So if you select this, it won't change the watch face when you turn on the power saving mode, which apparently will lose you 5 days of battery life. And then we have the low power mode of the watch face. And you can disable the music, phone, Wi-Fi, wrist heart rate and stuff like that. So you can customize it to your liking. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. And that's how the power saving mode watch face looks like. And if you disable it, let's open the controls menu, disable the power saving mode. That's how the normal one looks like. So if you disable that option in the power manager settings, basically you will have the normal option, normal watch face during the power saving, if you like to have it. Anyway, that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.